Kev. Get past it. Move, Kev.
Air. Boom. Boom. Intense. I love it.
First in the tank is a tool that takes snacking to the next level.
Hi, Sharks. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Edwin, and we're the founders of SNACTIV. We're seeking $200,000 in exchange for 10% equity of our company. Sharks. Have a look at Kevin here. He really loves his snack. I worked with Kevin for many years, and to call him a slob is an understatement. I never got things back from him without stains or grease.
Hey, Eddie. Check out this console I've been working on.
Ugh, this is disgusting, man.
Dude, what was that for? So, Shark, as a problem maker, I became my own problem solver. Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
We revolutionized snacking and created the snacking tool of the future.
That's right, Sharks. Working from home in the past year, I got tired of being such a slob at my desk. That's right.
Chew him out.
That's right, Sharks. Working from home in the past year, I got tired of being such a slob at my desk. Like many, I love to enjoy a snack while I'm gaming or working. But keeping your hands and devices clean all at the same time is a challenge. I even try using these chopsticks, but they're super inefficient. So I asked myself, there's gotta be a better way.
And that was the birth of SNACTIV.
Oh, Lord.
It streamlines snacking and keeps your hands and devices clean while you're working, gaming, typing, texting, or swiping. It installs between your pointer and middle finger and keeps your hands completely mobile and free. By installing SNACTIV, you'll be more hygienic, more productive, and you'll look super cool. It's like having an extra pair of fingers.
That's right, Shark. No more dirty keyboards, licking your fingers, or piles of napkins. Let SNACTIV upgrade your snacking experience.
Who's ready to get SNACTIV?
Who's ready to get SNACTIV?
They worked that out. Ding, ding. That is so. It's cool. To me, like I have always tried to avoid snacking while gaming. One, because it's terrible for my health because I don't know when to quit. And two, I hate dirty keyboards. I hate dirty mice. I hate greasy fingers touching my phones, keyboards, touchpads, anything. I like everything to be as clean as possible, not for the germ thing, but just because I like precision, and I like to be able to hold things and not have my slipping around and stuff. So trying to figure out how to say that without saying phrasing. Anyway, you know what I meant. My point being is I think it's really cool. I am really curious to see what kind of traction they got. I'm also curious if you can use it for sushi, because I do use chopsticks, but it would be cool to have like a different type of chopsticks to use for that. But yeah, the snack thing, like I might get this and try it out. And I know I've been promising to do some reviews on the channel. I have a whole bunch of products. I just haven't had the time to shoot them. It's been the holidays and things, but we're getting there. So bear with me. But in the meantime, go check out shopsuperjoe.com for these awesome apparel for super entrepreneurs, as well as masterclasses and books and other things. Books right there. Go check that out. And we're gonna check out the website and social media at the end here.
So guys, can you actually type on your keyboard with both of those attached to both hands?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's just like this, right? You just put on your fingers like this.
Yeah.
And then you
I
just
can see it.
pick up your
Yeah.
snack.
Like instantly, I just got happy.
How much does it cost you to make them?
Landed cost right now is $2.60 for the SNACTIV, and then $2.82 for the SNACTIV with case. Landed.
How'd you come up with this idea?
It was a few months before COVID hit, and I was working from home. I was snacking. I found myself licking my fingers, and wiping it on my shirt. I was touching my mouse, my keyboard. It was disgusting, right?
You might be my next husband.
I don't have to make a deal here today. I just marry you.
So why is this worth $2 million?
We're 5.5 months old. We should be launching in the next week or two. And we did $187,000 in sales.
I've been sitting here writing all my notes with it on,
Perfect. That's exactly what we want to see. Yeah.
I'm such a slob, right? I mean, my 12-year-old son, Jake, literally just bought me a new keyboard because he wouldn't come down to my computer in my office because he said it was so disgusting. And so, yeah, this is timely and perfect.
But the question is how accurate can you type? Like, with a like, I don't know. I feel like I mean I don't wear a wedding ring. For anybody who watches knows that I'm married. I don't wear a wedding ring when I'm typing, working. Pretty much only wear it when I go out and out to like somewhere nice at this point. But I just don't like the feeling of things up against my hand. So even though I definitely want to try it out because I am of that demographic that doesn't like to have things. I'm curious to how well that works. It's a neat idea, and a 260 cost. I don't think they said what they've sold it for, but 187,000 sales to date is pretty impressive. Not quite sure that's going to get them the $2 million valuation that they're looking for. You know, Kev and Edwin are looking for here, but I think they're definitely on to something. Even if it's like I don't want to say a gag gift, but like a novelty type gift for, say, 60 to 70% of the people that buy it, to give to somebody else.
That you don't have lenses in your glasses, or am I just missing?
Yeah, these are props. Like, I mean, I just wanted to look kind of nerdy.
You got LASIK, so
Those are fake?
That's awesome, Kevin.
I gotta be honest with you. I like it, and I like the simplicity of it. It's just easy, simple, and fun.
You're not planning to put this to retail. This is direct to consumer forever, right?
We have plans for retail. We noticed a high increase of interest in Asia, so we actually put in place an international dealer in Korea. We put it in Taiwan, and we're working with a Hong Kong distributor.
World domination.
Yes.
Yeah, and we sold over $50,000 in international POs.
Is it patented?
We have a utility patent.
So you have a utility patent pending?
Yes.
And did you mean to say that you have filed it?
We filed with the acceleration, so it has been
Oh,
filed.
good for you.
Yes.
All right, I like it. I'm going to...
That's okay. That's huge. That was going to be one of the questions I was going to bring up. Was they haven't mentioned if it's patented or patent pending. I kind of would hope so, since it's super easy to knock this off in a 260. Their cost, they could, somebody in a manufacturing warehouse could, in a manufacturer could, knock this off for like half that and sell it direct. So that's awesome.
Make an offer. It fits into my portfolio of crazy chicken deals. Got to be a royalty, guys. $200,000. I give you that. I want $1 a unit till I make back $1 million. Then the royalty goes away completely. But I get my 10% as SMUC insurance in case we sell this to IBM.
IBM?
Just saying.
Wow.
So before we, thank you for the offer.
That's an offer. It's better than what you started with, which was nothing.
Very, very grateful. I just want to mention a couple other things that we're working on. We actually...
before they go there, that is, I mean, if they were to get no other deals and they really, really needed the money, I want to know, I'm curious as what they need the $200,000 for, because their costs are so low that they're not trying to necessarily hand to mouth kind of thing. And I know I checked the website. If you watch the preview video, it's selling, I think, for like $15, $16, $17 or something like that. So not bad, but they have great margins. So they need something. There's a strategic piece to this.
We launched a big marketing initiative with one of the biggest food delivery services in the nation that are limited edition, exclusive to their brand, that will be shipped to their dash marts across the nation.
I like to call it Wonder Chop.
Well, he's already trying to change your name. I mean, that's not a good thing off the bat.
We can make you some custom ones.
Here's what I think, right? I think this is an amazing product. I love the idea. I love the fun behind it. I want to be involved, right? But I think Lori would be an amazing partner for me in this space, as well as you, just because of what she does in the retail side. Also, as a personality, I think the idea of marketing behind this product, that's what I do very well. I market. I know how to reach consumers. I think that Lori and myself can really bring value to this.
What's your offer?
Well, can you let me get there, Kevin? Stop trying to bully me. Can you let me get there and stop trying to bully me, please?
All right.
Okay, how about we say $200K and we just want 20%?
Yeah, for two of us.
That's it.
You guys.
We'll go 10 and 10.
10 and 10. It makes us jump out of bed
I
and
do the
work
Mr.
hard
Wonderful
for you.
deal.
And
You should
I
say
can
yes to
get
that
you
deal before
better
something changes.
manufacturing,
Yeah.
too.
Yes. No. She shouldn't even have to sell it. They absolutely. Kevin, Edwin. That is a phenomenal deal on a product that you've sold 187,000 so far, and you have you still have miles to go to get to the $2 million valuation that you came in for, and you get to work with Lori and Kevin Hart. Philadelphia's own Kevin Hart. Like, oh man, I'm a Philly boy for anybody that's new to the channel. But yeah, no, absolutely got to do that deal. Mark's 1,000% right.
I can get this cost down for sure. You're gonna make a much better margin.
Would you guys be willing to do at a 15%?
15?
Oh, man, don't
What?
nickel and dime it.
Well, actually,
don't
you know,
nickel and
I
dime
don't
it.
think. Just listen to what you're
I'll
doing
drop
right
my
now.
equity request
Yeah,
to
come on,
5%
you
just to
guys,
squeeze their head.
honestly.
Listen to
Two
what you're doing right
sharks.
now.
I like that.
Okay.
20%.
Listen to what you're doing and look at the opportunity, right? You clearly see where the advantages are in your favor from taking this deal. We don't want to go back and forth.
Just to be
We're
competitive, I'm
go
going to modify my deal.
20%
I'm dropping
is all
the
we're looking
royalty
for
to
at
50
20%.
cents, and I'm
Yeah.
dropping the equity to 5%
He's
just to
dropping
squeeze
it
their
because
I
head.
he
can
knows
help
that he
you
made
blow this
he knows that he
up.
made an
I mean,
aggressive offer.
If you
I'm
want to be
just saying.
global instantly,
That's
Honestly,
it.
I think it's not a no-brainer. We'll take your deal.
Take your deal.
That's a good go. I like
Let's
it.
go.
Let's go talk to our partners and give them a
love
handshake.
it.
You shouldn't have came in so hot, Kev.
We're gonna check out their website and
I
social
love
media in a
it.
second.
So
here.
good.
This is really good, man.
It's gonna be fun.
Oh, you do?
Love the
Oh my God,
personalities.
awesome.
Love the personality.
Awesome.
Love how you came in.
These are so great. I mean, especially now.
Yeah, feel free to take those home.
I love the
I'm very disappointed, you guys.
Thank you.
Touch anything.
You did it, man.
Who wants to touch anything?
Wow. This is super exciting. Kevin's one of the funniest guys I know. Kevin Hart, not Kevin Choi. And having Lori in there, this is going to be great, right? She's super good at manufacturing, marketing. We're just going to really blow this up.
I don't know why you came in so
My deal was
aggressive.
much better than yours.
It wasn't.
Way better.
No, it wasn't.
It was so
No.
He
aggressive.
always thinks his
better.
deals are better than
You win.
ours.
I want $1 off $1. You get $1 million after me, and I get my money back. And after that, it was so aggressive. Those guys had such a nice quality about them. You should have lowered your tone. You should have been much more appealing.
I'm telling you.
And they probably would have seen it. They didn't
No, I
see where
could-
you were coming from. I really like it, Laura. I'm happy to be your partner.
I am happy to be your partner.
Look
We're
at
going to
this.
blow this up.
I love it. I love
Good
it.
job, Kev.
That was great. That was great. Yeah, no, they that offer is that was terrible. I mean, think about how long it would take you to make a 50 cents. You have to sell I don't know how many units is that? 2 million units. Yeah, 2 million units to get that. I mean, that's a lot of units to move to get it. So let's check out their website, social media. Kevin and Edwin, I would love to have you come on the show. Just drop a comment down below and make that happen. So snacking tool of the future. It looks cool. I love the name. They have a light mode and a dark mode. Love that. Attach the tool to your index and middle finger. Continue doing gaming, creating, or working. No more FOMO. Hack your snacks. That is awesome. I also love. I pointed this out in the other thing, the preview video about the stain simulator tee. That's pretty awesome. And they have the case is pretty nice looking as well. I'm definitely gonna have to check this out and get one. I'll do a review of this for sure because this is just too good to not have. So they have them on. It looks like on Amazon as well. I don't know. I'm guessing these are some knockoffs that they're gonna have to like go after because that is it doesn't I don't know it doesn't none of these actually say snack pick and all that, so that's not a good start. But let's go to Facebook. Facebook got 3,400 people liking it, 3,900 people following it. They got the Shark Tank post, got a little bit of engagement. A little bit of engagement. They're posting. There you go. You got the RGB. That's how you know you got a fast PC. Shout out to PC Gaming Race there. So yeah, Facebook's going okay. Let's see. Instagram. Hopefully that's 1,500 followers. Not bad. Not bad. And what kind of we got? Oh, you got quite a bit of engagement going on there. That is good to see. Just like I love seeing comments down below, like Scandium52 says, love your vids, Joe. Definitely the quality of your content keeps getting better and better. Well, I greatly appreciate you watching. I'll see you in one of these two videos over here. Take care.